Hello you guys and welcome to Free Tech TV. Thank you for tuning back in here for another tech episode. Today we're going to be taking a look and unboxing of the newest, latest and greatest iPad mini with 256 gigabyte solid state drive inside. So I'll unbox it, see what it comes with, turn it on, and give you guys a full detailed review. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like this button and subscribe. New tech videos every week. With that, let's get into it. Slice and dice them. Do you like that? This for the ASMR people. Here it is, straight from BestBuy.com, Apple iPad mini. The 5th generation, April 2019. Let's see if Apple has something in stock for 2020. Ta-da! Space gray, 256 gigabytes of storage with Wi-Fi and cellular. That was satisfying. Alright, so how does it feel so far from a first look? Very light. Build quality is pretty good. The back is not a fingerprint magnet. I like the space gray. No camera bezel, so it should sit perfectly flat. No wobbleness. Still have the home button. Front facing camera, rear camera, your cellular lines. Go ahead and get this bad boy powered up and then we'll take it from there. Alright, we are now powering on the iPad here. See how long it takes to get this thing loaded up.
Hello, press home to open. Basic setup here. Start your country region. Yeah, I can bring yours on in. Set up manually. Connect to outer space. Skipping over, all lowercase.
Alright you guys, we have finished setting up the iPad. How was the setup process? Pretty quick and smooth, right? Pretty quick, pretty smooth. Some not a lot of apps actually. I am surprised by the lack of bloatware on this thing compared to an Android device. Good. Touch responsiveness seems pretty good. I don't really know how to use this thing. How's that enhanced retina display? Looks nice. Brightness. I like the thinness. I like the texture on the back. I just don't like the chin and the forehead. And for ports, we have a full 3.5mm headphone jack. Do we? Lightning cable. We do have the headphone jack up top. Nice power button on the top. Got your cellular data lines, I believe. Your volume rocker. Again, bezel-less little camera. I think it's 8 megapixels. Physical home button. And then lightning charging port, not USB Type-C. And yeah. Let me play it for a few minutes. I'll get back to you guys. I'll let you know what I think. Now we'll take a quick peek of what comes inside the box here. Little charging cable, lightning cable, rolled up. It's probably your paperwork. I'm assuming they throw in some Apple stickers still. We got the power brick. I'm surprised about how small they made this. It is 12 watt outlet, folds out. And yeah, this is pretty small compared to a normal standard Mac charging source. So that's nice. Alright, that has been a first look and unboxing of the new Apple iPad mini 5th generation with enhanced specs, enhanced display, and should even have a greater battery life as well. As always, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe. New tech videos coming every week. And with that, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.